And I found a nice plunge in the shape of a heart on Lake Flaten. As previously I was at Ekuden and trying to get in through the ice, but it was impossible. But here at Stora Flatenbadet it is possible indeed. And I am going to throw the thermometer to check the temperature in the water before going in for a ice cold dip here. Yeah, this is Stora Flatenbadet, as you can see, and it's one of the most popular beaches in the south part of Stockholm. Lake Flaten is one of the cleanest lakes here in the area, and the thermometer says that it is 3 degrees Celsius in the water. But even though it is now 11 degrees Celsius in the air, and it has been for a few days, it's still quite hard for the ice to melt that quickly. But let's then get dressed and go in for an ice cold plunge here in Stockholm on this 8th of March 2026. Let's get dressed into Speedos. And off we go for an ice cold plunge dip here in Lake Flaten. So yeah, 11 degrees Celsius in the air and 3 degrees Celsius in the Lake Flaten, which makes it perfect for an ice plunge. And it's going to be super nice indeed. Are you ready? Yes. So beautiful and so peaceful at the same time. Brilliant. Ice cold plunge indeed. So yeah, that's a wrap from this ice cold plunge for Lake Flaten today. It's a bit freezing but still nice. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris! Mira la foto que te mandé.